Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create a track using an AI music generator. To embark on this creative adventure, open your browser and type in soundful.com. But before we step into the realm of musical wonders, let's ensure you have an account. Create your account first before unlocking the musical potential. If you are new to this, I've also prepared a video tutorial that guides you through the process of getting started with Soundful. Make sure to watch it for a smooth journey ahead. Now, let's kick off this creative journey by exploring the avenues to breathe life into your musical vision. Right there, at the bottom of the screen, you will spot the Create button, an icon that resembles the essence of sound waves. As you tap into the enchantment of the Create button, a tree of choices unfolds: similar, track, and loop. To craft a complete musical experience, let's opt for the track option. Now, with a simple touch upon your chosen template, witness the magic as it springs to life. Click the Create Preview button. With a click, your chosen template blooms into a preview of what's to come. It's a sneak peek into your sonic creation. You can now edit depending on what you like. In just a matter of clicks, you have set sail on your musical voyage with the power of Soundful's AI music generator. Thank you for joining, and until we meet again, may your music echo and your creativity shine.